Hello everybody, my name is Anna Brüskler and today I will present to you the short outlook on our current Market Uptake Hub. So to enter the Market Uptake Hub, you just need to type in saphea.eu and you reach the landing page of the Market Uptake Hub. So it will, as this is the beta version, it will look slightly different when it's transferred to the sustainable version, but the content will be the same. So you will get a short overview about the content of the Market Uptake Hub. You will have some short links on the side to access the different topics. And you will be presented by some feeds about the current postings on the LinkedIn group or the X of the project, X profile. So on the website, you will find 4 main topics. You will have access to the knowledge base, where you can find information about geodhc networks in general, and also you can find there the saphea results and deliverables, which are available here. You can see all the public deliverables, of course. And you can see here it's reaching from the management plan, data management plan, over the scenario catalog and status report on market drivers to also reports on regulatory and policy frameworks and a summary report for stakeholder interaction. Below that, you can find our literature repository containing all the links, the link to the group library on Zotero, and this is the literature which was used to develop all the reports within Saphea. Some of these deliverables are used as guidelines or strategies. Some of them are still missing because they are currently worked on, but here you can have a few as a lookout. So you can see we have some blueprints, we have some science to policy report on recommended measures for regulatory and policy frameworks. So this is a bit in progress, but you will find more guidelines and strategies there. Then we have the next topic, the data and viewers. So if this offers a range of interactive resources to support planning, evaluation, and promotion of the geothermal district heating. So you can have a look here at the financial mapping tool, which was developed under the report of the status report on financial mapping. You can have a look here below using the tabs, different tabs to scroll through all the mapping options, and you can filter accordingly to have a look at the most suitable one for you. Also, we have a GIS map here where you can have a look at existing installations already. This map was derived from an associated cost action, which contributed to the development of this one. And below that, we are planning to host some, as the Market Uptake Hub will be a comprehensive tool to have everything to support the user in making some educated plannings. We want to gather as well all tools already developed under other projects to have, so the user can have a look at it as well. So here you can see 2 examples. One is the Geoplasma and one is the GeoDH project, where you can have the link and have a look further on other already available data. One of the main links will direct you to the Saphea toolbox. And here you will have access to the gathered geothermal data and the shallow and deep geothermal modules for calculating potential in your area. For further details on the toolbox, you will have access to other tutorials explaining much more in detail on that. And really important is you can also get in contact with our community. You can reach out with questions to other experts and connect. So if you have further questions or need more input from peers or people working on the topic, you can always reach out within this group and have more input from them. So that was all from my side. I hope I could give you a short overview, and thank you very much.